welcome back to my habitat. Today we're going to be using some dried oranges to make a beautiful holiday wreath. Let's get started. Materials you're going to need for this project are some sort of wreath formation. I'm going to be recycling this piece of cardboard and cutting out a nice round shape. Of course, you're going to need some dried oranges, which I have here. These are just some beautiful thin rounds of orange that I have used in my dehydrator. You can also dehydrate oranges in your oven. Just so you guys know, I used a total of 8 oranges. That's how many slices worth I have. And I sliced them really thin, like 1/4 of an inch to like 1/8 of an inch, so really thin. First thing I'm gonna do is cut out my wreath formation, and then I'm just gonna get started with loading up my oranges on top. All I've done so far is organize the oranges in a round that I like. So take a look, I've just simply layered them one on top of each other, so they're just leaning on each other. And now I'm not gonna remove them. I'm going to hot glue them in place one at a time because I don't wanna mess up my spacing at all. You know, whenever you're working with a round shape, you wanna keep that round shape as much as you can because if one's off, you're gonna notice it. I like this shape. I'm just gonna go ahead, hot glue out, gun everything, and then after that, I'm gonna do another row of oranges on the inside in the exact same way I just did. It's finished, and I feel like the baby from the Teletubbies. Honestly though, love how this turned out. Now I don't know if you guys can see on camera, there's definitely a little mountain right here. Now, if you end up having that in your wreath, it's completely okay because you can hide it with a bow. And that's what I'm gonna do. I have this very beautiful poinsettia ribbon, kind of burlap-esque, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful with the oranges. Not to mention where this wreath is going, there's 2 poinsettias underneath it, so you know, bring the poinsettias up. I always make my bows off camera because they always look bad. With some fussing, they look passable, but I'm not an expert in making bows. But that is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna adhere it with a little bit of black wire or wire to my wreath, and the most ugliest point on the wreath to try to hide it. Right where that big dip is, I'm just gonna adhere it. Also, just to finish up the ends, I always like to do an angled cut. Just like that, so you get the nice kind of V at the end. Makes it look a little bit more finished. A really simple yet beautiful wreath for the holidays. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay crafting. Bye.